Hi, welcome to another video about the Amiga. Just doing some more MOT work. Unfortunately, when I was putting the axle back up and I pushed the brake pipe back into its kind of holder, it broke the brake pipe. So I tried to make up a sort of repair section and join it, but because this is obviously an old pipe and it's a bit brittle, it broke. Well, it's the flare went out and there was a bit of a crack in it. So I tried to tighten it, hoping it would seal, and it never sealed. It was just started leaking right away when I was putting fluid in it. So I took the whole pipe out. You can see there I've just shaped it all, put the end on. I just break the pipe up at the ABS bit, and then so I'm just shaping the pipe now round, just up at the back end of it now. So if you can see, this bit's quite a lot of little bends in it. So the new pipe's quite soft, so most of it I can bend with my hand, but I've got this here which I use if I need to make a bend like that there. Just you can bend it round without it creasing the pipe. So I've tied up the pipe at the end so that it doesn't move about. Just start bending this bit here. I mean, it's quite soft, so it doesn't need to be exactly perfect. It's good enough shape. Got a wee bit of a bend on this bit here. So I just put it at the end of where the bend is on the pipe, and then just lift it up and then just push it into the bit that goes round the plier there. So that gives me that kind of bend in it there. That. It's a wee bit out. I'm trying not to keep bending the pipe one way or the other, because it weakens it. So I've got another bend here to put in this bit. Just here. So I need to put that about there. See about there. And bend that up just about 45 degrees. It's not too bad. This is the original pipe, so I might just use this because it's still a wee bit better shape than this bit was, because I pulled this out and it kind of bent. So I'm wanting a bit more of this to bend over this way a bit. confused with what I'm doing. Piping bending here. Oh, I need to bend this up the way here. Bend it down here. Just about there. Then it needs to come this way a bit. Need to put a bend about here. Now I need to remember, I need to cut this because I don't want to put too many more bends in it and then can't get the fitting on. So what I'm going to do actually is maybe keep this bit straight here, put the fitting on here, probably cut it about there and then flare the end on it. So don't make cut it short, you know. That's the old one. Just checking where we are with the old one as well. Might actually make a wee bit of extra length in it maybe. Cut it about, say there. Just can flare that. was using this as well, this straightening pipe out, it's a tier. It's quite a good thing.